Thank you for joining us for this Hawk University instructional video on how to repair chipped or damaged porcelain tile. This is not a DIY video. This is an instructional video for professional resurfacing technicians. For any resurfacing project, Hawk Labs recommends the use of appropriate safety apparel, installing adequate ventilation and fresh air breathing equipment, and reviewing safety data sheets and technical data guides. In this video, we will cover two repair scenarios: repairing dirty, uncoated tiles and repairing previously coated tile. For this project, you will need the standard Hawk preparation cleaning products, Profil compound, Ultra Grip Low 4300 primer system, matching StoneFlex Ultra multicolor finish, GlassTac Low 9100 top coat system, Hawk repair blender, sandpaper, and assorted cleaning tools. Adequate preparation is essential to all resurfacing projects. For uncoated tile, begin by applying MicroClean Step 1 cleaner. Scrub thoroughly to remove dirt and debris, rinse with clean water, then remove any remaining cleaner using surface wash. Next, apply Porcelain evenly across the surface. Wait 20 to 25 minutes, then rinse with clean water. Remove etch residue using surface wash. Finally, apply MicroClean Step 2 cleaner, scrubbing thoroughly. Rinse and clean with water and remove any Step 2 residue using surface wash. For essential coated tile preparation, mask off the repair area using the grout lines to hide the edges of your masking. Sand the repair area smooth, then remove any dirt and debris using surface wash. Begin the repair process by folding a pea-sized portion of Profil Hardener into a golf ball-sized portion of Profil compound. When the mixture is a consistent color and begins to stiffen slightly, it's ready to use. Spread the Profil compound into the prepared holes and cracks. If the repair area is at an edge, use a flat stick to contain the compound. Allow the Profil compound to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on conditions. Deeper holes may require longer drying times. You can accelerate the drying process by using a heat gun. Once the repairs are dry, lightly sand the repair area until smooth. If divots remain, repeat filling and sanding steps. Once smooth, remove dust and debris and wipe area again with surface wash. Next, mask off any areas where unwanted overspray may occur. Then evenly apply 3 coats of primer, allowing 5 minutes to dry between coats. Using the matching StoneFlex Ultra color, apply 3 even coats. Allow 5 minutes to dry between coats. Using 80 grit sandpaper, lightly scuff the repair area to ensure optimal top coat adhesion. Where the masking edges lay in the grout lines, it may require additional sanding to eliminate tape lines. Remove dust and then wipe with surface wash. For previously uncoated tiles, evenly apply 3 top coat layers. Previously coated tiles require an additional step. Begin by first applying 2 layers of top coat using a feathering technique to blend the surrounding tiles. Then, for the final layer of top coat on previously coated tiles, add a small amount of Hawk Repair Blender into your top coat spray pot and mix thoroughly. Apply the final coat using a feathering technique to uniformly blend repair area into surrounding tiles. The result, broken or cracked tile, has been cost-effectively transformed into a beautiful, seamlessly repaired surface. Thank you for watching this video. For additional questions about repairing broken or cracked tile, contact Hawk's dedicated technical support team at 800-321-4295 or email technicalsupport@hawklabs.com.